The Pyramids of Giza, ancient Egypt's ultimate engineering mystery. Massive stone structures built over 4,500 years ago, with precision so perfect that modern engineers still ask, how did they do it? Welcome to Rigid Academy. Today, we dive into the construction of the Great Pyramids, how they were built, why they were built, and why they remain one of the greatest engineering achievements in human history. Let's start with the scale. The Great Pyramid of Khufu originally stood at 146 meters tall. For almost 4,000 years, it was the tallest man-made structure on Earth. It consists of more than 2.3 million limestone blocks, some weighing up to 15 tons each. Yet the joints between these stones are so tight, a razor blade can barely pass between them. How did ancient Egyptians cut, transport, and lift stones this massive with no modern machinery, no steel cranes, no engines? This is where the mystery begins. Construction techniques. Most historians believe the Egyptians quarried stone blocks using copper chisels, wooden wedges, and stone hammers. Blocks were then hauled on sledges, possibly lubricated with water or milk to reduce friction on the sand. But transport was only half the challenge. The real question is, how did they lift multi-ton stones hundreds of meters high? The most accepted theory is a massive ramp system. Straight ramps, zigzag ramps, or circular ramps built around the pyramid. Workers, thousands of them, pulling ropes, using levers, wooden sledges, and counterweights. But no definitive ramp structure has ever been found. This leaves room for theories, from sledges and water lubrication to internal spiral ramps, even to more mystical explanations. One thing is certain. Whatever method they used, it required planning, organization, and engineering far ahead of its time. Geometry and precision. The base of the Great Pyramid is almost perfectly square, less than 2 centimeters of error across more than 230 meters. Its orientation aligns almost perfectly with the cardinal directions: north, south, east, and west. How did they achieve such precision without GPS, without lasers, without modern surveying instruments? Likely through astronomy. Using the pole star, the sun, shadows, and basic sighting tools, Egyptian engineers created accuracy that rivals modern equipment. Their water-level systems allowed them to level the base. Their understanding of load distribution allowed massive stone weight to remain stable for millennia. The more we study, the more engineering brilliance we uncover. Purpose and legacy. The pyramids were designed as tombs for pharaohs, bridges between Earth and the afterlife. But they became something much larger, a symbol of engineering capability, human labor, mathematical intelligence, and architectural courage. These structures survived earthquakes, erosion, time, and history. They stand today as reminders that human innovation did not begin with machines. It began with imagination. Millions of tourists visit Giza every year. Engineers, architects, historians, all drawn to the silent question the pyramids still ask. How did we do this, and how much more are we capable of? If you enjoyed this breakdown, remember to like the video, subscribe to Rigid Academy, and comment which ancient structures we should explore next. The Great Wall of China? Machu Picchu? Stonehenge? Tell us, because the mysteries of engineering never end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next deep dive.